In light of the captivating principles presented in Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, we embark on an insightful journey through this transformative work. Diverging from the structured approach of the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Hill's masterpiece delves into the art of becoming rich, not just in terms of wealth, but also success. As we explore the book's core concepts, we'll discover the essence of thinking, aligning the mind for prosperity, and the remarkable impact of a mastermind group. Unraveling the key message. Central to Think and Grow Rich is the notion of profound thinking and harmonizing one's mind with the goal of achieving riches. This goes beyond mere daydreaming. It entails channeling manifestation, desire, passion, determination, and maintaining a positive attitude. Hill astutely illustrates how the subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in realizing prosperity. He explores the transmutation of sexual energy into productive pursuits, thus propelling individuals towards their aspirations. Relevance in modern era. The 21st century revision of the book seamlessly merges timeless wisdom with contemporary relevance. Interspersed with stories in italics, Hill sheds light on present-day success stories, forging a tangible connection with readers. By amalgamating historical and modern narratives, Hill equips us with a comprehensive perspective on wealth and accomplishment. Mastering the mindset. Think and Grow Rich delves into the intricate workings of the human mind. Hill examines the 6 fundamental fears that hinder progress and success, urging us to confront and conquer these internal barriers. By fostering a growth mindset and honing our mental faculties, we can navigate the path to prosperity. The resonating impact. Reading the book often evokes different emotional responses. While the beginning sparks enthusiasm, the middle section may not resonate as profoundly. However, it is the concluding part that leaves an indelible mark, delving into inspiring stories and boundless possibilities. Embracing interdependence. A concept that echoes throughout the book is the significance of interdependence, exemplified by the Mastermind Group. Parallel to the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, the Mastermind Group recognizes the need for expertise in diverse areas. Acknowledging that no one person can excel at everything, this collaboration empowers individuals to achieve greater heights collectively.